answer. No, those are very stupid things. Huh? So ignore those things. If you are in A levels, then face the A level and always try to keep your mind in order to learn, right? Not to show off. Sometimes students are like that, no? Okay? Especially if you got extra curricular responsibilities in your school, then you must be in high alert. Okay? Because now you are in risk zone. Risk zone in the sense, if you are doing lot of extracurricular work, yeah, it's okay. But the risk is not balancing. If you are not balancing your extracurricular work and these academic things, then, but academic things will give you a future. Extracurricular things, just extracurricular things, will not give you a bright future. But academic qualifications plus extracurricular, that will make you bright future. Okay? So those who are, sometimes you get prefectships, sometimes you get sports things and all. But if you are doing those things, then it's special. You have to allocate your time. Your first priority must be these advanced levels things. Second priority is whatever the school prefectship or games captain, or you are doing extracurricular. Sometimes you may be president of astronomical society, or you may be whatever. Let's say you are toilet society. You are president of toilet society. Then you have to balance. You have to balance these academic things and your toilet society things. Okay, so keep that in your mind, because we saw in past years some have greatly balanced the work and they got the best results, but some, they are struggling. In some classes I saw students are crying, telling that, sir, too much work load for us. I asked why, especially those girls, right? I asked why. Sir, that school, all the extracurricular work is they are putting on me. Then I don't have time to balance the work. No, then you are wrong. Why? You are advanced level student. You are not extracurricular student, no. You are advanced level students. That means your first priority must be advanced levels. Okay, keep these things in your mind, because within next 1 or 2 years, either you are going to win or you are going to lose. So in order to stay on winning side, the things that I say, you have to keep in your mind. Otherwise, we don't know. You also don't know. Okay, so you miss classes, you don't know what classes you missed, and you cannot match up the syllabus and everything, then you are finished. Then someday you will meet me at somewhere. Then you will say, sir, you told us truth, but now we have not done those things and now we are destroyed ourselves. No, don't come and tell me these things are within next 5 to 10 years, then I will hit you. Okay, because that's why I am telling here, this is a serious business. Okay, this is a serious thing that you are going to deal with your life. Okay, so your first priority must be advanced levels. Every other thing, let's say you are the principal. No, so you are the principal. Then, even though you are principal in the school, unofficial principal, okay, so even though you are unofficial principal, still you need to manage these things. Otherwise, we don't know where your life is going to end. Okay, because this school time, you are going to stay there 1 or 2 years. After that, another bunch of students are coming to your places. You cannot stay there. No, I am the unofficial principal. I hold all the responsibilities as a prefect or as a games captain or as a president of a society. No, new presidents are appointed. Then you have to go away from the school. But if you haven't grabbed these things, these advanced levels results, if you haven't grabbed those results, then no one is coming after you and telling about you. But if you get selected into engineering faculty, then those things that you have done during your A levels, those things you are going to shine in the university. Okay, so this is a very serious thing that I told you.